Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable and disable sidebar on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on shortcuts and accessibility. Now from here, just tap on smart sidebar. Now from here, to disable smart sidebar, just disable this toggle over here. Now as you can see, the smart sidebar has been disabled on our smartphone. Now to enable smart sidebar, just open the settings app and enable this option from here. Now as you can see, once you enable this option, a small bar will appear on the screen. Just swipe from the border of the screen to the center of your screen and it will open the sidebar on your smartphone. And this is how you can enable and disable sidebar on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.